Hi guys, this is Ground Effects here in Kansas City, Missouri. We're in the Hunt Midwest Caves. This lane here is where we do our load floor and our scuff plates. So where we're standing at right now is the incoming area for these transit vans. So if you look down this line, it's basically staged and how these vehicles come in and how they'll get built. This first one here is just in our receive process. It's gonna come through and it's gonna start getting the different stages of material as we go down the production line. As we move our way forward, the vans are gonna start getting moved up the line so that they can continue to be processed for various stages of the load floor and the scuff plate installs that we complete here at Ground Effects. So here we have stage number 1 of the installation process, which is where we're gonna start installing the foam pieces that sit under the load floor in order to help with sound dampening and any vibrations and movements that'll happen with the floor as the vehicle is going down the road for the customers. All of these pieces are numbered and lettered, so that way our installers know where they go and what stage of the process that they go in order to evenly be displaced throughout the cargo area of the van in order to minimize sound and vibration. So now after the foam, we're gonna move on to actually installing the load floor pieces. So as you can see here, now we've got the different pieces and variations of the load floor inside this van with the H-track. The H-track is the part that connects the various pieces of load flooring to each other. The next stages after this would be to install the scuff plate, which is the pieces that go on all the scuff areas of the van where you step inside, which also helps lock in all the flooring pieces to prevent them from moving as well.
There you go.
My ears aren't sticking out too much. Look at that. So you can see the installers here, they're installing that last stage of the install process, which is the scuff plate. So again, that's a plate that goes on the back here that's gonna lock in all of the floors together. This is torqued down with screws, so that it'll hold in place so that there's no movement of the floor and nothing can shift around and move in place. So again, this is heavy duty floor, heavy duty scuff plate. You can use this to move a lot of heavy material in, run things across it, material across it. It's not gonna scuff up, it's not gonna scratch, and it's not gonna fall apart or even shift around as you move material in and out of the van. So on this side here, we also have the other scuff plate. So the scuff plate is consistent of 2 parts. You have the one in the back and the one on the side here. The material's the same, the insulation is basically the same. The screws are about the same as well. Again, this is also torqued down to hold in place to prevent any of the floor from shifting around. This again is nice metal material, so you can come up on it. Material can be, pulled across it, step on it with your boots, shoes, whatever it is, it's not gonna scratch it. It's slip resistant as well, so you're not gonna slip off of it when you're going in and out of the van. So here's the last stage of what we do here. This is our finished quality area. So we're gonna do an inspection of all the applications that got installed on this van. This particular van just got the load floor and the scuff plate. So our final QAC employees are gonna do a visual inspection of the van. They're also gonna take pictures to verify that the product was installed and was installed correctly. And then after that, they're gonna ship the product in our system, which is called Ujigami. Once it's shipped in Ujigami, this van will go out to the lot and is ready to be picked up by transport companies to go on to its next stage to a dealer or to the customer. QC is important for many different reasons. Number 1, we wanna make sure that we meet Ford's requirements and meet and exceed the customer's expectations of the product and their van and their vehicles that they're buying. QC is also important because we wanna make sure that our installers did the install correctly in the way that it should be done. This plant in this area is incredibly busy. Every single month, we have around 9,000 vehicles that come inside our doors and go out and get shipped onto the next location. So that's gonna consist of vans and trucks. A lot of those vehicles do consist of the heavy duty floors and scuff plates. It's a great product, and a lot of the customers that do get that seem to really enjoy the offers that it brings to the customers. So the vehicles that are sitting out here on the back, they're ready to move on to the next stage, which is the shipping lane and out in the shipping yard. So our porters are gonna come in here, they're gonna come grab a vehicle in the back, and they're gonna drive it out of the caves to the lot that's outside where transportation companies will pick it up, take it to the dealer.